Hello students, how are you? Welcome to our channel.
Coming like a Hellcat.
Today our topic is tense. What is tense? Tense has been taken from Latin word tempus, that means time, such verb which denotes the time of an action or existence. That is called tense.
टेंस क्या है? टेंस लातिनी लफ्ज़ टेम्पस से लिया गया है, जिसका मतलब है वक्त, ऐसा फ़ैल जो किसी अमल या वजूद के वक्त को ज़ाहिर करता है, जिसे तनाव कहते हैं।
That's all for today. Our next topic is how many kinds of tense.
Faster.